Hi, this is Toon Time with Yogi. Today we're going to draw a bunny. What we're going to use today is a pencil for drawing, an eraser just in case we have a little foul up, but we're not going to have that. A marker to line in our drawing so it looks really good. Now, here's a pencil that has both an eraser, but I'm going to show you something magical. Ooh, it's gone. It disappeared. Now to start our drawing, I'm going to draw a sort of a smaller circle up top here. Then right below it, I'm going to draw a bigger circle. Be a little bit loose with it. Now at top here, what should I do? Maybe something for the mouth. Okay, we're going to put a circle right here. Be a little loose. Next, I'm going to put a little button for the nose. Now, I don't think rabbits have buttons for nose, but you can make one look sort of like that. Now for the next part, we're going to draw a rectangle. Wow. Pretty good rectangle. Now we're going to draw a line down the middle to make two teeth. Something's missing about this rabbit. What do you have? Oh, I know something. I got them under my glasses. They're eyes. Let's try one on this side. It's going to be like an oval. And we're going to try one over here. Hopefully we make it look pretty close to the other one. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Next we're going to put the pupils in for the eyes. You know, when you look at your eyes, it's sort of the black thing in the middle. And if you want, you can give it an iris, which would be a little bit of a half circle around that. Just like on your eyes. Okay. I don't know. Could look like a squirrel. We're going to add some sides here because I don't know. He looks too squirrely to me. We don't want our rabbit to look like a squirrel, do we? Let's do it on the other side. Now, something's missing. He looks like a beaver. And if I put a line under here, will it still look like a beaver? That looks a little better. Still doesn't quite look like a rabbit to me. Doesn't look rascally at all. Okay. I could draw a carrot, but that's not going to help. I think I'll draw some ears. Now, ears, they sort of look like big old feathers off of a turkey. The only difference with our rabbit ears is a turkey feather would be a little rounder at the bottom. But we're not going to do that because we don't want to get our rabbit mixed up with being a turkey. That wouldn't be good. Something's still missing. Maybe he needs an inside to his ears. Let's sort of go like up here, like another smaller feather inside his ears. Now that's looking better, isn't it? Something's still missing. I think it's, what do we have above our eyes? I believe it's eyebrows. Now, let's make our rabbit have sort of happy arching eyebrows. So let's go up this way. Start about the same place on this side and go down this way. That's looking better. Now I'm going to line the drawing. It's sort of like tracing, but sometimes you do it so that the drawing looks a little better than your rough sketch. I want to start with the ears. I'm going to bring it down to the top of the head. I'm going to bring this one down the same way. I'm going to do the line that looks sort of like another feather inside. I'm going to do the right ear as you're looking at it. Go a little higher because I'm trying to match the other ear. Make them look alike. Now I'm going to do the space between the ears. Yeah, that's looking better. I want to bring this out a little wider for the rabbit. Yeah. I'm going to try to match it on the other side. Now I think I'm going to do the eyes. I'm going to do the outer part of the eye. Now we're going to do the right eye. Going to do the pupil. And do the pupil on this side. Going to do the iris part. Now we're going to do the nose. Let's do the mouth. But instead of it staying a circle, I'm going to put a little dip right there. Yeah, that looks a little more rabbity, doesn't it? More of a funny bunny. Now we're doing the tooth. Let's line that down the middle. Okay, it's time to do these cheeks. I go a little bit outside here to try to match the other side. Now, if you want to do his eyebrows, I'm going to do arching. But to make them a little better, I think I'm going to make them like little slivers of a moon. Now we're going to do the line underneath the mouth. We're going to do the pupils. Now when the light hits them, you leave a little space up here. I think I need to do a little line that sort of goes down here for his chin. You can add these lines if you want to for the cheeks. Because not all bunnies are just all white. Some of them are brown. And if you wanted to, you could add a line up here for the ears, but for this bunny, we're going to leave them this way. Now for this time of year, something's missing for this rabbit. I know what it is. It's eggs. We're going to draw an egg right here. An egg is sort of like an oval, but a little flattened on the bottom. Now don't go get eggs out of the fridge to try to trace around them. It won't work that good. It might roll off, and if you break the egg, you might get your mom yelling at you if it ain't hard-boiled. Okay, so we got 2 eggs. Now some people like to draw Easter eggs with stripes. So we're going to draw some stripes on here. Now, I don't have colors, but I bet you got some colors, markers, maybe even paints at home that you can use to color in your Easter bunny. This egg, we're going to do something different. I think I'll put a few circles up top here. Then I think I want to do a squiggly line. Let's do another squiggly line. Oh, wonder out. Maybe one more. And let's do a jagged line down at the bottom. Let's add a jagged line up top. Is this done? Nah, we're going to clean it up. We're not using Mr. Clean, we're using Mr. Eraser this time. I'm going to take out the pencil marks. Wait, we don't have pencil marks because I didn't use the pencil on the eggs. So that's going to save us a step there. Now there's one more thing you can do, kids. Get out your paints, get out your crayons, and then your drawing will look better than mine. Now we're done. Thank you for stopping in with Toon Time with Yogi. If you want to follow us, go to kckpl.org. I'm heading off the bunny trail. Hoppity hop.